This is what I'm cooking today. Meat and vegetable broth served with plain rice. You can also eat it with mashed potato and bread. It's optional. Welcome to my YouTube cooking channel. Today I'll be cooking meat and vegetable broth. So I will show you the ingredient I got here today. These are my ingredients. On this plate here I have jumbo chips, hot chili, garlic, ginger, brown onion. On that plate here I have butternut squash, lamb meat, carrot, baby corn, shallot, celeries, and here you have sea salt, ground black pepper, sunflower oil, and inside this bowl here, that's what I'm going to use to make the stock. You have the meat bones, celeries, leek, carrot, and onion. Now I'll add my rough chopped celeries, leek, carrot, brown onion, and the bones, meat bones for the stock. Then I'll add water. And more fire, put fire. Then add my jumbo tube, one jumbo tube. Little bit of sea salt. A little bit of ground black pepper. Now after a little bit of boil. Okay, now I'm gonna add sunflower oil here, a little bit of sunflower oil to cook my vegetable broth. That's sunflower oil, natural sunflower. Just a little bit. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of salt here and wash the meat. Right, I wait for the oil to get hot. I wash the meat. Now I'm gonna start my vegetable meat and vegetable broth. Now the oil is hot. I'll put the meat here first. Then add my onion, brown onion, hot chili, garlic, ginger. after cover it, leave it for a while. Now I'm going to add the carrot. Okay, now I'll add the stock. Add my jumbo chips. Then add my sea salt, little bit of sea salt. Little bit of ground black pepper. Okay, now I'm gonna add the shallot and the celery. After adding, I'll leave to boil to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'll add my baby corn, followed by a butternut squash. Okay, now I'm going to add the baby corn, followed by the butternut squash. Then I'll leave it to cook for about 10 minutes. In this pot here, I'm boiling rice for the soup, but the soup you can eat it with the rice or bread. It's optional. Anything you want to eat it with, either rice or bread. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share the video with a friend, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell, so if I upload a new video, you'll be notified.